morning, everybody. Welcome to my another vlog. And right now, we're here at the house of the late President Marcos in Lawag. Lawag yapon siya. Ito na yung mga house nila. Ito yung house nila. I think this is the living room. Ayan po siya sa President. Do not sit down. Sabi yung stairway nila. Ang taas po ng stairway. Ito po yung library or office ni ex-president Marcos. Ayan po si Ida. She's having her pictorials. Her Excellency, Miss Eduardo Calcueva Alforque. Ano to?